The last couple years in real estate have been what we call unicorn years. What does that mean? The years were very difficult to find, almost impossible, and very rare. They were rare in terms of showing traffic and demand for properties. You can see in this chart, which is national, the showing index for how many people have been out looking for homes. And the traffic in 2021 and 2022 was off the charts at 271 and 284. Now, how does that compare to Chicago? Very similarly. Here we are looking at the index for the Chicago area, and you'll see that 2021 and 2022 off the charts once again. All right. Why else was it a unicorn time for us? Home price appreciation. Nationally, year over year appreciation, 2021, 11%, 2022, 18%. Huge, huge when you look at the pre-pandemic years of 7, 5, and 4, which were all very healthy numbers. Now that we're back to 5, people are bemoaning the fact that we're not seeing double-digit price appreciation. It's very healthy. Now, this is the Chicago numbers, and it's formatted a bit differently, but look at the numbers across the top here. 4, 2.3, 1.5, 1.1, according to Case Shiller, year over year. That's not compounded. And then you look at the 1 year, year over year for 2021 and 2022, 9% and 12.8%. Very strong in Chicago. We're back to 4%, back to the pre-pandemic levels, even better than some years. All right. Third factor why it was unicorn years, foreclosures. And this is a national number. And you can see when there was a moratorium on COVID-related foreclosures, numbers were very low compared to 17, 18, 19. And let's look at Chicago. During the moratorium, yes, under 3%. To put it in perspective, when we were still coming off the 2008 housing crisis, 30% of the homes sold in 2013 were lender-mediated sales, meaning they were either foreclosed, REO, pre-foreclosure, or short sale. We've come up a little bit in 2023, but it's still under 4%. So when you hear people talk about the fact that housing closings, number of properties on the market is all like so low compared to last year, put it in perspective. We're really at pre-pandemic levels, and we're easing back to what we think of as a normal real estate market. If you have questions about your home, your neighborhood, and the potential for selling or buying in Chicago, please reach out to me. I'm Ann Rossley with Baird & Warner. Let's connect.